Alright, so that pin I was having issues with, I don't have issues with the pin anymore because the damn thing fell out. You can see it, probably watch it leak some oil here. Yeah. So, party's over. There's a spring in there that, shut the door. There's a spring inside there that keeps the pistons pushed out while you're working. Basically, kind of you know, it keeps the pistons from working themselves in. And I lost it. I was moving some tree branches and I was like, man, that looks weird. And the bucket was kind of dangling. So I pressed the out button on for the pins and no pin. It just gushed. So I don't, it happened. I didn't notice. I broke one branch off, moved it, then moved another branch and the bucket was loose. So really not sure what happened. So I'm gonna run down here. Probably gonna cap the lines. I got some JIC caps in the truck, and I'm gonna cap the lines for the quick change so it doesn't drip out hydraulic fluid. Then I'm gonna run up to Bobcat. I'm about 20 to 25 minutes away from Bobcat, and I'm going to go get me a spring. Yeah, I was gonna wait till tomorrow to kind of mess with it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and tear it apart tonight. So when the parts show up tomorrow, I'll run up here and put it all back together. Here's the damage report. The bore actually feels pretty good in there. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see in there, but definitely blew the pin out. That's what it's supposed to look like. The 1.25" pins is what holds holds everything together. The I have to clean this up pretty good when I get back. But yeah, you can see where it broke off back in there. It's just a piston. Yeah, she's stuck. Hopefully didn't mess the bore up too much. And see what they got. If they have a new piston, this doesn't feel torn up, but you never know. Actually, you know what? I might spend 10 minutes to try to pull this apart. Well, a 3-foot pipe wrench, blowtorch, some brake clean. I got the little plug out of there. The bore looks pretty good. I think I just broke the pin. I'm gonna stuff this rag in there and run up to Bobcat and see if they've got another one and broke it clean off. Then this is the barrel. Looks like I can repack the seals in there too, so I'm gonna lock stuff up and I'll be back. Alright, we're back. We're push that other pin all the way out. Last time I did this, when you push the pin out, you would squirt fluid back out. Clean the poop out of these threads. Now we're going to be putting some bearing retainer compound on it. they actually had everything up at Bobcat. When I sent them the video yesterday, they were actually pulling parts off the shelf already. They're gonna send a guy out here Monday to fix it. So this is what I'm using for the Loctite 638. We had the new pin, repacked all the O-rings and seals and stuff. Spring goes in. The spring actually lives inside here. Goes through to the other side. Rub a little bit of grease on here. Really seals nice and loose, or nice and lubed up. And this is where the fun part starts. Pipe wrench ready. Pipe clamp ready. So we just slide this in here. Slid through there. Make sure my tool, one of these holes are a little boogered up. I'm gonna hit it with a drill bit, clean it up a little bit. So I just ran a 1/4 inch drill bit down through here. These are 1/4 inch pins. Smack this thing together real quick. Just gonna give it a little love tap here. Brush these all. Seal up good here. Yeah. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'll clean these threads up one more time. Cannot be shy with this compound here. I know from doing this before that this stuff dries quick, so you'll be pretty quick with this stuff. I think they call it, is it anaerobic? It cures in the absence of air. So as soon as you start running the threads in, it's going to start sealing or start hardening up. It's going to be pretty liberal with the stuff here. Alright, we're good. Alright, spring. Probably a weld socket or extension thing on the end of this. I can use a oh, come on. Sucking the other pin in here. Get this thing on here tight. How tight you're supposed to get this, but last time I went until the pins broke. Every time I stop, it's starting to harden up. Well, that's probably gonna be about it. Oh shit, I got more. Oh, come on. There it is. Pin's broke. It's tight. Got sheared 2 pins off. Pretty standard. These are just little hardened pins. Get from, I think, Granger, McMaster, I can't remember. Yep. Alright, so we're in all the way. Clean up the snap ring. Throw it back in. Yep, it's sitting flush in there. We're good. Poke an eye out with one of these. I bought some snap ring pliers from Advance Auto Parts. And better luck with 2 screwdrivers. Yeah, these things suck. Yeah, these things are garbage, dude. Straight garbage. I don't even close it enough to get the damn thing in there. What a piece of shit. Should be illegal to sell tools like this. Get one side started. And give her hell. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. That's it. I'll fire the machine up. There we go. Snap ring in, new collar in, new pin in. I think they're gonna come out on Monday or Tuesday, whenever they have time, and replace that one. So we're all good. Next thing to do is fire the machine up and check to see if it works.